Ladies and gentlemen, it's Saturday afternoon here in sunny South Yorkshire. I must say sunny. As you can see, it's absolutely throwing it down, and the roof is leaking like a sieve. I'll take you through what I've done so far this year. These are my heater propagator. Put two vents in there that I just cover it with a piece of plastic. I'm going to get some little electric fans for these eventually, but as you can see, I've got pelargoniums in there. I've got my echinaceas and my scabious in there, all good, doing great. See the scabious there, get them starting to come through, and my pelargonium cuttings all going great guns. Right, let's have a look at this one, shall we? You see in there, I've got my pink, my carnation cuttings, my petunia cuttings at the back, and here is my begonia cuttings. Get one out and have a look at it, shall we? As you can see, I've used perlite and compost, and can you just see there the roots coming to the top? It's a really good sign. Yeah, they're really starting to, I've not been in these very long, and they're really starting to get going now, so they've all rooted really well. Put them back. Nice moist atmosphere. That's the begonia. So I've got my echinacea these were sown in the spring. I fetched them in because they're going to start rotting if they're left out in the rain. They don't like too much moisture. As you can see, they might have already started, so not a very good sign. I will be sowing some more seeds tomorrow, hopefully when the rain stops. But yeah, these propagators, as you can see, doing really a good job. And my two double LED lights, really helpful. Once I get a new roof on, it will be looking a lot better. This is just a quick catch up. There's my thermostat. It's at 23, it's 20.4. When it gets 3 degrees, 0.3 degrees below 23, that's when it kicks in. And it switches off when it gets to that 23. But it's been that colder lately that it's on nearly all the time, which I don't mind, it's only low voltage. So, any questions about these heater propagators, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And thank you very much for watching my channel. If you like, give me a thumbs up. Thank you, bye.